Hi there, this is John Barton with JB Cases. We're going to do our weekly showcase for the week of March 21st. Let's jump right in. I'm going to start some of these now with leather cases because it comes to my attention that a lot of you guys don't know that we make leather cases. So maybe you don't make it far enough in the video to see the leather cases because I usually present them at the end, you know, kind of the saving the best for last type of deal. But now we're going to go ahead and have our dessert first for a little bit and see how that works. So starting with, this is a big custom case that we did. This is full leather, 3x6, fully tooled and carved, done in chocolate brown. Very gorgeous. And I'm going to pull this up slowly so you guys can see this. Watch, we're going to come in from the side there. There we go. Look how pretty that is. I have to try to go real slow so you guys can see this. But it's tooled all the way around it. Every inch of this case is tooled, hand tooled. We need to make a video just on this case.
I have the video.
Oh, see, you're ahead of me already, man.
It's on Instagram too.
Ooh, you already put it on Instagram too? Wow, we're going modern, folks. Now we're on Instagram. Pretty soon we'll be on TikTok. Watch for it.
I can't wait for you in TikTok.
3x6. So guys, check it out. This is this case right here represents the pinnacle of what we do in leather. You know, this is a fully tooled mini basket weave, just super gorgeous case. It has a magnetic latch on top, of course, right here. Magnetic pocket here with double zippers on each side for easy access. Then here we have a jump handle spot right here. And then we put a middle zipper right here. So you got easy access inside and you can see everything. Also the pockets are a little bit taller. So if you want a super high-end leather case, we make them. So not much more to say to that other than there's a good example. Okay, next case that we have here is, I have an orange rugged. This is all orange with orange zipper pulls, 2x5, 3x4. There you go. Look at these orange zipper pulls on here. Doesn't that look good? And let's see what color interior it's got. What are we betting? What do you think? It's got orange?
Yeah.
Let's see. Did we go with orange all the way? And yes. And a matching orange interior. Rugged interior, of course. You know, just to remind everybody, this is our interior. Okay? See this? See how it came out? This is what we do. Okay? This is double padded here, single padded all the way through, fully lined inside and out. So you can see that here. Let me pull this out so you guys can see what this looks like. Look at this padding in there. That. So here's what it is, man. If you're like looking out there at cases and you see a case and they manage to show you the interior and it looks something like that, chances are it's only going to look like that up to there. And from here down, it's going to be weak and thin and crappy, you know, and dangerous to your cues. That's what we have found in almost every instance of looking at knockoffs. So just remember, if it doesn't say Ultra Pad on it, then it's likely just to be a barest copy of what we do, and could even be dangerous for your cues rather than actually protective. And then it just goes in this easily. You'll notice I'm doing this here without tools. There you go. And this is what it looks like. Done. See how easy that is? We are the inventors of this technique and this interior. And the knockoff artists who are trying to sell you cases for close to our price. And it doesn't matter whether it's close to our price or a lot less than ours. If it's a piece of shit that actually is dangerous to your cues, then it's not worth any price. But it's especially insulting when they're selling it to you for close to our price and insinuating or even flat out lying and telling you that the interior is as good as ours, because it's simply not. So here you have a plain orange case. This is exactly what the customer wanted, orange with orange stitching. You know, nothing really fancy on here, but they're getting exactly what they ordered, and they're getting a case that gives you the best protection from day one through the lifetime of owning it, as well as backed by a lifetime warranty. So I don't know how it gets better than that. Maybe if you got it for free. All right, so next case we have here is, on there and make sure we got the next case I have here is another rugged. This one is a limited edition here. This is done with a really cool denim pattern here with a looks like kind of an Indian sort of pattern on there. Blue, navy blue with white zipper with white stitching and a taller lid and a single strap on the back. Here you go. Now the taller lid is going to contain either a ball holder for the lid or a magnetic compartment. In this case, it's a ball holder with a navy blue interior. And there you go. Pretty cool, huh? All right, next one here, we go to a really bright multicolored case. This one is, what do we got here? We have blue, yellow, green, pink, green stitching. Look at that. 2x5, 3x4. Isn't that cool? I'm curious what interior it has. It has a light blue interior. And there you go. Very cool. 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts. I mean, look at that, right? So you get this case. Let's say that this case costs like with all the colors on it, $300, right? And they're trying to sell you a knockoff that has, you know, nowhere close to the customization of this for like $250, right? Isn't it worth the $50 extra to get exactly what you want, built on a solid foundation? Of course it is. That's a stupid question. You know, nobody intelligent would even consider anything other than yes. All right, this one here is a black 2x5, 3x4, and we have I am honestly not sure what this is. I've never seen this this image before, but I'm sure that the customer knows exactly what it is, and it's meaningful to them. So if any of you out there know what it is, go ahead and tell me, because I don't like to be ignorant of things. And then this is really cool. 283rd dust off. That seems like a military shield or something like that. Helicopters maybe? Oh, helicopter ambulance, I think. So looks pretty cool. See, this is what we like to do, is we like to do stuff that's meaningful for the customers. And as I said, you know, put it on a solid foundation that the customer can depend on. Because, you know, what I've seen out there is I've seen the cheap cases, the knockoff cases, and people spending a lot of money on decoration for those cases. And while that's meaningful to them, it's also kind of a waste, you know, because you can put as much glitter on a turd as you want to, but it's still a turd. And this one has a blue interior, 2x5, 3x4. All right, this is a 1x2. Who said? What did you say this was the other day? Like what did this remind you of?
Like a Chanel.
Chanel. Okay, so we used to call this like a grandma's couch type of material, but now we're gonna call it Chanel. Okay, this is like a Chanel. There you go, 1x2. Look how pretty that is. That's a heavy tweed with a lot of colors in it. Very pretty. 1 butt, 2 shafts. With rainbow stitching. And a label. Already pre-printed. Oh, it's a 1x1? You guys made it into a 1x1? Awesome. So it's a 1x1. So normally this would be a 1x2, but what we did is we made a 1x1 at the customer's request because we are custom case makers. And so one butt, one shaft. There you go. For some people, that's all they need. One cue and excellent skill. Okay, you want to go ahead and pack that one? Since you already got a label.
Yes.
Alrighty, moving on here, we got a 4x8 butterfly hybrid. Okay, check this out. What in the world? Alright, there we go. Alright, this is cool. This is a butterfly hybrid. This is 4 butts, 8 shafts with backpack straps, navy blue. Let me see if I can pause this real quick. I don't think I can pause this recording. Okay. Well, I can't pause the recordings. I'll have to call them back. All right, so here we go. This is navy blue and royal blue and white. No, don't take it. And with blue stitching. Now check this out. This opens like this. So you have easy access to all the cues inside. But if you want, you can also open it like this. Now you've got easy access to everything in here. You got extra space in here, so you can put some more stuff in there if you want. And when you're done, pop it over like that. Boom. Boom. There you go. All done. Very cool. Okay, next case I have here is a 4x8. Gray and green, rugged, with black pockets and a magnetic top pocket there. Let's see what we have in here for an interior. This one has a gray interior with a ball holder in the lid. And there you go. Isn't that pretty? Purdy, purdy. All right. Spin the cart. And it looks like we have here a 3x6 butterfly with backpack straps, gray and purple. There you go, with a magnetic lid on top. Carrying handle here, so you can just grab it like that. And let's see what color interior we have in this bad boy. Is it gray, is it purple, or something else? Shall we know? What is behind door number 3? Purple! I love those purple interiors. They just jump at you. 3 butts, 6 shafts. All right. And on this one here, we have, last one for the day, I have a 4x8. This is a silk brocade hybrid here. So this is got a sleeper of a material on here. It's black on black. Look how pretty that is. This one's hard to tell, hard to see how sweet the design is there. With a beautiful gray interior, and there you go. All right, folks. Well, that's it for this weekly showcase. So we will see you later. All right, and remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, JB Cases there in the corner, see on the screen. And remember, we have true protection, true durability, true comfort, true custom, all backed with a lifetime warranty. So don't accept knockoffs. Don't accept anybody saying they're as good as us. Anybody that says they're as good as us, they're not. Very simple. They're just simply not. So I'm waiting for the day when somebody says they're better than us, and they actually are better than us, so that I have more incentive to be better than them. But until that day, we're the best in this style, and we're so good we sell our interiors to other case makers who depend on us to protect your cues so that they can focus on all the quality on the exterior of the case and be secure in the knowledge that their customers' cues are safe in our interior. So if that's what's being done, then you can definitely count on our interior and our exterior. And as I said, you don't want to build it yourself and you want somebody you can trust, JB Cases will be happy to build it for you. You guys take care. Bye-bye.